The next element that I would like to add over this is these lights. They're wireless and they're picture frame lights. I've talked about them several times on this channel. It's almost like a pair of shoes with an outfit, or the jewelry that you wear, or the lipstick or the eyeshadow. They just add one of the finishing touches to a piece of wall art. And they're so easy to install. It's really two pieces. It's the bracket here and the actual light fixture in itself. So I'm just kind of gauging it a little bit to see where I want it. I do want it to be as high as possible. And I think that's it right there. Turn this out. Okay, so that's the blue light. Then we've got the off button, on button. That's the blue light. I like a warmer light, a little bit warmer, maybe, yeah. So this is super, super warm. I don't want it that warm. You can also brighten it and dim it. You could also set this on a timer to set a timer, and the maximum time is 60 minutes.